Hello. Today, I'm going to show you most profitable setup yet beginner friendly. I am going to show you every step. Make sure to watch till the end. In this video, I am going to show you a 5-minute QQE mod crypto scalping strategy. I will be using 2 TradingView indicators for this strategy. I will also backtest the strategy 51 times and show you the results. This buy-sell signals TradingView indicator can help you date a pretty girl like her. The strategy can be used for crypto, forex, and stocks. Hello friends, welcome back to another Future Ways video.
This is the chart of Bitcoin, BTC USDT, and the scalping strategy is best used in 5 minutes, but it can be used on other time frames such as 3 minutes, 15 minutes, and also 30 minutes. Now let's set our first indicator into the chart. Go to Indicator tabs, search for QQE mod by Maker00. Add our first indicator into the chart. Now, pull this up, go to the settings, on the style tab, close off this QQE line and also values in status line, and click OK. Okay, we will be taking buy signals when we see blue area, and we will be taking sell on this red area. Whereas for the gray area, it's like redundant. Okay, go to the settings, go to input tab. Let's set the RSI smoothing to 10. And the fast QQE factor, we change it to 36. Let's see what happens. Look, the blue area becomes gray area. So it means that all the signals are gone. Okay. Then now we change it, the RSI smoothing back to 6. And let's look again. Now the sell signals are gone. So we need to set this fast QQE lesser than the RSI smoothing. So we change it to 5. Look, the buy and sell signals are back. But let's take a closer look. We change this fast QQE to 3. Look, just now the gray area become red area. So when we set the RSI smoothing higher than the fast QQE factor, we're getting more signals. Okay, so you can play around with these parameters and click OK. Now let's add our second indicator into the chart. Search for GDAX EMA cross by Stefano89. Add our last indicator into the chart. Go to the settings, change the cross to light green and set the opacity to 100%. Change the color 0 to light blue. Okay, and close off these values in status line. Click OK. So how does this indicator works? When the price is above the 2 EMA line, we are on an uptrend and indicated by this light blue candle. When the price is below the EMA trend, we have these red color candles and indicate that we are on a bearish trend. These cross are places where we will be taking trades. Now let's look for a buy signal on the 5-minute chart. There are 4 rules to follow. The first one is that the candles need to be bullish to indicate that we are on an uptrend. The second is that the EMA must cross and display this green dot. The third is that the QQE mod, it needs to be on the blue territory. And the fourth condition is that we need to avoid candles like this. Okay, we need to avoid candles like this. So I will be taking a buy at here with a stop loss below the previous swing low, and target is 1:1.5 to 2. Okay, let's look for another buy. First of all, we need to look for a green cross like here. Okay, then the second thing is that this one need to be blue. We'll be avoiding this trade. So I'll be taking a buy here. Set the stop loss below the previous swing low and target is 1:1.5. Alright. Now let's look for a sell signal. For sell signal, it is the inverse of buy and there are 4 rules to follow. The first is that the candle must be bearish and it needs to be below the EMA to indicate that we are on a bearish trend. And the second condition is that the QQE mod must be pink to indicate we can take a sell. And the third condition is that we need to see a cross on the EMA and this light green. And the fourth condition is that the candle needs to be small. Alright, so This satisfies the condition and we take a sell and set the stop loss above the previous resistance, and target is 1:1.5 or 2.
After learning how to trade, let's practice the strategy 51 trades. If used correctly, the win rate is 86%. I conclude that this strategy is bad at ranges. To learn about scalping strategies, check this video.